Contrary to sort of the kind of scripted dialogue that we might come across in books or listen to in television shows or in movies, real life conversations are actually very, very messy. And oftentimes, what happens when we are talking, we don't complete our sentences. We do sort of false starts where we sort of end up rephrasing what we're saying halfway through a sentence. And so everyday conversations on top of that is really rapid fire interactions where we produce very short utterances that are only about 2 to 4 seconds long. And these are interspersed by incredibly short pauses of about a quarter of a second. And on top of that, it's actually quite common for us to talk over one another as well. So it's actually close to a miracle that we can even understand one another. So what we do in order to maintain and establish a common understanding of what we're talking about, we employ a set of what we have called conversational devices.